na deal na Jimmy. Jimmy.
At least we have come to court, and the court has confirmed that there is a case, and we have just been supplied with a copy of the charge sheet. Reason being that when we came in the morning, the DPP and the registry said that they cannot supply us with the charge sheet. They cannot even inform us of the nature of the charges. But now, after a court order has been made by the chief magistrate, we have been supplied with a copy of the charge sheet, which has 11 counts. And now we are going to seek for further instructions from our client. But the court has also said that our client must appear on Monday to take plea. Yeah.
What are some of it?
There are charges that are related with a raid that was done at his home. And now each charge with there were some rifles that were firearms that were discovered from his place. So they are putting each count with a firearm, with a specific firearm.
Until the 5th of March, that is Monday.